Some cars are made to commute. Others are made to cruise. But the 2026 Mustang GTD? It's built to dominate. This is Ford's wildest Mustang yet, a street-legal supercar with the soul of a GT3 race machine, designed to put Europe's best on notice. The first thing you notice is the stance, wide, low, and menacing. The GTD's carbon fiber body is sculpted for speed, every curve and vent shaped by the wind tunnel. Up front, the massive grille and functional air intakes feed cool air to the engine and brakes, while a deep front splitter slices through the air for extra downforce. The hood? Vented, of course, letting hot air escape after hard runs. From the side, it's pure muscle with a motorsport twist. The flared fenders house lightweight forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, ready for track day abuse. You can't miss the lower ride height and aggressive aero skirts, all working together to keep the GTD glued to the pavement. And at the back, a full-width carbon fiber wing dominates the skyline, paired with a massive rear diffuser that looks like it belongs on a Le Mans prototype. Quad titanium exhaust tips promise a soundtrack as wild as the car's looks. Inside, the GTD is all business, but it doesn't forget comfort. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, suede, and exposed carbon fiber, giving it a refined yet aggressive feel. The flat-bottom steering wheel features drive mode selectors, paddle shifters, and quick access performance control so you can fine-tune the car without taking your eyes off the road. Deep Recaro bucket seats keep you locked in during high-G cornering, yet remain surprisingly comfortable for longer drives. The rear seats? Gone. In their place, weight savings and a titanium strut brace, reminding you this is a track-focused weapon. A fully digital driver display adapts based on drive mode, from minimalist street view to a full race telemetry layout. The infotainment system still supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but here, the priority is performance data, lap times, G-force readings, and real-time tire temps. Under the hood, the 2026 Mustang GTD hides a beast, a hand-built, supercharged 5.2-liter V8 pushing over 800 horsepower. It's the most powerful road-going Mustang in history. That power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission mounted in the back for perfect weight distribution. The GTD also packs an advanced semi-active suspension system that can stiffen or soften instantly, adapting to road or track. 0 to 60. Just over 3 seconds. Top speed? Well north of 200 miles per hour. And thanks to massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, it stops just as ferociously as it accelerates. But it's not just about raw numbers, the GTD's handling is razor sharp, with aero balance and grip that make it feel like a race car you can drive to dinner. The 2026 Mustang GTD isn't here to play nice. It's here to prove that American muscle can run with, and beat, the best supercars in the world. Brutal power, track-bred handling, and a design that turns heads everywhere it goes. So, what do you think? Is the Mustang GTD the boldest move Ford has ever made? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Ford's new supercar slayer, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more epic machines just like this one. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.